Hi Krishna, welcome to channel Excel Lab. Today we are going to learn about basic functions of Excel. So I have opened one sheet. You can see I'm going to share this sheet to the description on my channel. So while opening this, you may find that one protected view button will be appearing over here, and you have to enable that button. So it will say like enable editing. So you have to click that, and then only you can write something over here. Otherwise, it will not let you write anything over here. So you can see here A, B, C, D, all this. So these are all columns of the sheet, and 1, 2, 3, 4, these are all your rows. Okay, so suppose I am here, and where column and row are combined, this is called a cell in Excel. So how to find the cell address? If you can click here, you can see here I6. Why I6? It's I. Here you can see column and the row is 6, so that's why it's I6. Same like if I click here, it will be I8. You can see if I click here, it will be J8. It will be like M8. If I click here, you can see. So that's how it is getting the address of the cell. Okay, so moving ahead, let me open a new sheet before it further. So I'm just here coming down, and you can tick on this plus icon. It will give you one sheet, and here if I come here and double click, so it will let me rename it. So I'm not renaming it like test sheet. Okay, hit enter, and now I want to know how many rows and columns total I have over here. So from here it's not possible to see. So what I'll do, I'll come here, the first cell, and then I'll press Ctrl and down arrow. So now we can see 10,40,576 rows are there. Now again press Ctrl up arrow, we'll get back to the previous position. Okay, now if I want to see the columns, how many columns are there, so just press the Ctrl and then right arrow key. So you can see till except T we have the column over here. So again if I press Ctrl and left arrow key, we'll come to the first cell over here. Now you can ask the question that I can understand that columns and row are there, but how many of them I can put the data over here? So you can see one button here, triangle button. So just come here, click your left mouse button and hold it. Now you can see, keep holding it. So it is like 10,40,576 rows and 16,384 columns are there. Okay, so there is a total number of rows and columns of this sheet. So that's how it is working. Now let's go back to the sheet where we have started. So here I'm just increasing the size of this sheet bit so that you can see properly. So for that I can do one option is Control and your scroll up button. If you do Control and scroll up, it will be increasing. If you do the Control and scroll down, it will be decreasing. You can see the size changing over here, right? Or else you can do like this is the decreasing zoom and this is the increasing zoom. Okay, so I'm just increasing a bit so that you can see in better manner. So now I'm going to use the sum formula over here. So for that I'll do equals sum. Now this interlaces will open. This is called interlaces. So once this is open, you can hit tab, so it will put one first bracket, or you can put first bracket as per your wish. You can do that. So I'm doing like tab, so first bracket will open, and once it is open, you have to select the range for which subject I'm going to put the sum. So I'm selecting for Alice, it's for here to here. So once this is done, the range has been selected, so close the bracket, hit enter, so it will be done like this. Same way you can do sum, and then again this one Bob. So like that you can do close and do that. Okay, now suppose I want to do rest of the cells, whatever cells I have till like henna I can do. So either I can drag this till the end so that you can see all the sum formula over here and all the details you can get, or else you can do and select the cell particularly from where you have started, not this way. So it is blank cell, so you have to select here and then press shift, then down arrow. So all the cell will be selected, and then press Ctrl and D. So all the sums will be done like this. So you can double click here, you can see sum is done for this one. Another way you can do, like I'm just showing you, I'm deleting all this. Okay, so how to do the sum from the formula tab, formula bar. So just select the cell, you can see this formulas, this tab, come here, and this is the auto sum, right? So if you click this arrow, down arrow, many other options are there. So what I'll do here, I'll just select the sum over here. So select the sum, it will give you the range, and it may be wrong range. Not to worry, just select the cell range from here to here and hit enter. It will give you the sum. Same way you can see this button downwards. So select this button, plus sign will appear, and then drag it down again, then you'll get the sum. So that's how you can do it. Now to do this average, there are again 2-3 ways. Press equals, then put average. You can see IntelliJ is open, just put tab, so automatically it will be taken like average, and you can select the range like previous and close the bracket, hit enter, it will do the average. This is one way. Another way is select the cell and go to this formulas tab, and then come this auto sum part, down arrow, click here, average, select it, it will open like this. Again you have to give the range. That's how you can do, hit enter. So it will be doing like that. So I have given the first row only, first row is done, so I have to give this range. Okay, select it, just remove the range and keep this one, hit enter. So this is the average, is calculated. Now again, as these two are done, I have to select these two, and you can see this small sign over here where plus will appear. If you click the mouse over here and bring it here, you will get the plus sign. So just click your mouse left arrow and keep holding, drag it down till here, it will calculate rest of the average, like till bang, it has been done. If you this one, so this one, so all are done like this. This is the way. So same way we can do the mean. So we will come here and hit equals and write mean, and then open the bracket, select the range, it will give you the mean value, hit enter. Again just click here and drag it till here, it will give you the all other values. Same here for max values, equals, write max, hit tab, it will open the first bracket, then again give the range, close the bracket, enter, again click here, drag it down, so it will give you the max value. The count is giving you the numbers, how many numbers are there. Put equals, then count, and give the range. I am selecting like double clicking. Now give the range like this one. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Should be coming 4. Okay, close the bracket, hit enter. So it is giving 4. Same way, click here, drag it down, it will give you all the 4s. Now if I delete one subject over here, so I am putting nothing here, what will happen? It will change like count 3 and all other subjects have been changed. Now suppose the student has not given the exam, like it's an exam sheet. So I'm putting 0 over here, so you'll see 0 over here. So that's how it can be done. So I'm putting again 92 as it was. Now suppose I want to find out all the sums. So for that, what I will do, come here, put equals, then sum, hit tab, it will open the bracket. So I'm selecting all the numbers range. Okay, and again close the bracket, hit enter, so it will give you the total number. Now come to the average, equals average, double click on this one, it will open the bracket. Again select the range for all the students, it will give you average. Mean, equals mean, open bracket, select the range, close bracket, it will give you the mean value. Again click max, open bracket, give the range, close, enter, give you the max value, and then count, equals count, and when you give the range you will get count. So that's how it is working. So that's all folks for today. I will meet with you soon with another video with another interesting topic of Excel. Thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video with your patience. Thank you so much for your love and support. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post a new video over here, you'll get the notification of it immediately. Thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video with your patience. Thank you so much for your love and support. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.